Cafe Bellissimo, here we go.
I'm gonna put these ripe tomatoes in. Yeah. Oh, here's a real nice one. Okay, we got enough tomatoes right now. Make sure they got the tomato. So we got the out of the garden, fresh. You can't get any fresher than this. Tomatoes from the garden. Now I just washed them in filtered water because it takes away. You don't get the flavor of the chlorine. And I'm gonna slice this like a little thin steak because we're gonna make fried tomatoes. I'm gonna take out the little. I don't think you want to try this, amateurs. This knife is too big. Take out that core. The best tomatoes are the ones that have the most meat, like beef steak tomatoes. Roma tomatoes are good, they got very few seeds. So you slice them as big as a slide as you can. So there's one, maybe about 3/8 of an inch, like that, you see? 3/8 of an inch. Like a nice meaty tomato, huh? Ooh. Slice that baby up. Like that. We got the tomato slice. I'm going to do the same thing as I did before. I'm going to marinate them with the vegeta. Now I'm going to sprinkle the famous vegeta over and give it some additional. This bonds all the flavors together, I think. Yeah, not too much. All right, the oil's already in there, peanut oil. You can actually use olive oil. My mom used only olive oil for everything, but didn't have any peanut oil, any kind of oil. So olive oil. But nowadays you can use peanut oil, you can use vegetable oil, things that are healthy for you. Try it. You know, we're trying to make food as healthy as possible with what's available out there. That's all I can tell you. And the rest, it's all in your head. So if you're cooking, at least you know what you're putting in. When you go eat outside, you don't know. Okay, so the oil's got to get hot, and the way you tell it if it's hot, you put a drop of water in it, and when it starts going frying, then you know the oil's ready. Crank it up, baby, about. The tomatoes are resting. We got the mix with the breadcrumbs and cheese, and we still got some of the egg right there. So you can also do this with the zucchinis, eggplant, bell peppers, let's see what else, onions, of course tomatoes. I don't think potatoes. Potatoes would work only if you boil them first, then slice them. Now, a great thing this is, mashed potatoes mixed with the egg and the breadcrumbs. And you make them like dumplings, and then you fry them. Oh my God, that's unbelievable. Another one is boiled cauliflower and broccoli, because those are good too. Same process, same mix, same oil, beautiful. A drop of water in the oil. There. I'm starting to hear it. It's talking to me. So I'm going to prepare my switch my assembly line. We're going to take that tomato like that, dip it in there, dip it in there, and then you dip it in the breadcrumbs like that. One tomato, two tomato, go. There. There. Put a bunch of it. Like that, absorb some of the egg. Yeah. Okay, they're starting to fry good now. Put that baby in there. Yeah. Ooh. So we get a little more mix in there. A little more cheese. Yeah, right. Like that. The mix. Put that baby in there. Yeah. Yeah, mama, we're making the fried tomato. Oh, she used to make it for me. It was my favorite. When my mom made these fried tomatoes, I was in heaven. Now, let's turn them over. Oh, nice, beautiful color. I'm going to do the same thing with the napkins, with the tomatoes, that we did with the meat, right there. Oh yeah. Yeah, baby, yeah, baby. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Good morning, yeah. Tomatoes, tomatoes. Yeah. Oh yeah. That baby's done. Maybe overdone. That one's done. That one's done. Why, it's living over a hot stove. It's a very, very hot day, but I'm cooking something good. We'll see when I eat it, because this is Mama's recipe. Mama Sarah, Mama Sarah, Mama Sarah. She's watching me cook right there. She never taught me, I just kind of got it by osmosis. I just connected into her energy. I'm able to duplicate what she made very easily. It's like some people are computer hackers. I'm a spiritual hacker. I can hack in people's spiritual energy. And learn. Now, the deal's done, that's it. Now we gotta taste it. Put off the fire. Ha! Let's see how this babies came out. Yeah, 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 yeah. Take that one there. It's really good. Put it right there. And we're gonna cut it up like that. Ooh. 4 pieces. Ooh, almost lost the whole tray. And then wow. I love this. Man, quite well. Oh my god. Man, dug it. Thanks, Mom, for teaching me.